So I've been working on the wiring harness. Pulled all the pins for the injectors and the coils and had to swap them because the ECU was in the front of the engine when it's in the Camaro. I'm going to have it the rear of the engine. So the wires that were the shorter ones, because the computer was right here, these were shorter, these were longer. Where I'm putting in the back, the ECU, I had to move the short wires to this side, the long wires to this side, and then I'm going to be putting them back into the connector. But gave me a lot more room. Now they all are about the same length, which is good. They'll go into these two connectors, get that going. Got a few wires I got to lengthen, but I'll do that in a little bit. But right now I'm just going to get everything to where it's just laid out to where I need it to be. So that's where I'm at now. Rat nest is getting a little more manageable. From the other video, it looked like a big pile of wire sitting on top of the engine. Slowly, but getting there.